Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. This is HBS. I'm Approach Beauty and Skincare. If you're new here, you're welcome. Thank you for stopping by. And if you're a returning subscriber, I say thank you for always returning to this channel. Today I'll be showing you how to trim your eyebrow by yourself to your desired shape using a razor blade. So guys, stay tuned and watch this video to the end, and don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you get notified when there's a video coming up from me when I make another upload. So let's get to work. The first thing is to brush out your brow using your spoolie, your mascara wand. So you brush out the brows up, then you shape the brows downward. I'm trying to shape out like a soft arc shape. So if you're the type that likes your brows to be to have just a little arc in form of a round shape with a little arc, then that is what I'm shaping right now. So we all have the different shapes of brows, how you desire your brow to look like. So whichever way, you need to shape out your brows below. Then when you're done, you brush the hair downwards, and you also shape that the excess. If you have excess, if you have very long hair, you shape out the excess just as I'm doing right now. Then you also use the razor to bring down the hair on the forehead that's very close to the brows. So that's just exactly what I did, and as you can see, we have the shape of the brows, like the perfect shape. So I did the same thing on this other end, and I'm trying to show you how I shaped the hair while brushing it down, because I can see that my hand was touching it the other side. So that's what I'm showing you guys here. It's quite simple, anyone can do this. So guys, you can watch the video up here to see how to actually define your eyebrows after shaping it. So if you find this video helpful, please thumbs up for me, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.